Have you ever wanted to add a colored background to your text? Maybe it's a text editor or a heading, but you don't want to color the entire background. I'm going to show you how to do that with a simple bit of HTML, but you can use in any WordPress website page builder. And hey, don't forget to check out our $1 business packs. Over here, we have one of your traditional headings, and it's just a bit of text. And over here, we've got the colored text with a colored background. So if you were to go over to a normal heading widget, you could go and stylize it and you could go and give it a background color, but it would do it to all of the text. What if you only want to target certain text? And all you got to do is drop in this little bit of code. And don't worry, I'm going to stick the code on the screen. And if you study that, it's pretty self-explanatory. You can see the bits that are kind of a standard color, which you would obviously go and pick in your style tab. You could do it here, but you could just do it in your style tab. Then over here, we have span style background color. There's the background color. Go and change it. There's the color of the font. So maybe you want to have like a really rich red color, but you want your font, the color text, to be white. You could go and change that. So you can modify this code to work for you. And if you wanted to have extra words or bits of that text, let's say it's 100 characters or 100 words, you could just reuse this as and when you want within your text editor or your heading. Really simple bit of code. It will be in the comments. The reason why it's not in the video description is because it's got angled brackets and YouTube does not like that. But go and have a look at the comments and don't forget to check out our $1 business packs.